Okay, I am back. So let's check now what's happening in here. Okay. Ooh la la. Ooh, 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 so beautiful. Ha ha ha. I think it's done. So the chilies are done. What do you think, huh? Chiles Relianos Guillermos. All right. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. So I am gonna transfer the here to the upper range. See. Okay. Okay. So I'm sorry I move around. So once you slice this and nothing stick into the knife, it means they are still not that cooked. So I'm gonna put it back in the oven and they will be done after that. Okay, so I'll see you next time and enjoy watching or viewing this Gracie's cooking. Bye now.